everybody, it's summer. Things are going great. So today's instructional video is 2 products in 1. We're not going to ask how many times Sherry's tried to do this video. Okay, so this is our Enviro cloth in case you don't know, but I know most of you are here because you love Norwex. So you probably know about our Enviros, which are a hair split 200 times. So it's picking up everything off the surface, and then it has silver in it. So that's actually kicks into action once the bacteria is in here, and it inhibits the growth of bacteria. So it's not getting all stinky and nasty and gross and leaving everything slimy. So this one is a little bit special because it's the Scrubby corner. So I always see people go, I don't know. And I know for me, I'm very tactile, so this is not my favorite Enviro. I like the soft ones that I can touch and it's not yucky feeling, but it has a little pocket. So I just put my hand in there and then I don't have to touch the scrubby part. Okay, so, but it is handy because my stove is always nasty, and I will show you that now. You're welcome. So, I'm not the best cook. Let's just go there. Okay, so I kind of boiled over more than I should. So these, the Enviro cloth with the Scrubby corner and a cleaning paste are awesome for this. I also am a big fan of, okay, so you're getting 2 bonus ones in here. These. So this is the Speary sponge. I often use that with my paste for my stove. I know it looks like it's made out of metal. It's not. It's just a silver color, and it's very scratchy feeling, but again, it's not going to scratch. And as you can tell, sometimes it gets discolored by over scrubbing with it, but it still works fine. Or sometimes if you use super hot water with it, it can discolor it. I put mine in once I've used it for really gross jobs, I put it in the dishwasher. So sometimes it can get a little discolored. I don't care, it works great, and I don't care if my sponge looks nasty. The other sponge we have is our Enviro sponge. So this is a sponge inside. It's got the scrubby side, just kind of like this, and it's also got the Enviro side. What I like about the Scrubby corner cloth is that I don't have to flip it around or whatever to wipe off the paste after I put it on. I just grab the other corner and squish it. So I'm going to try and see if I can do this for you. So our paste is one of those products that I gotta admit was the one product I went, that is crazy expensive. This woman is crazy. So it's $31.99. And I seriously thought, she's nuts. Like, I'm not spending that on that little tub of stuff for my stove. She's crazy. However, I got it in my hostess package because I hosted a party and I got $5.50 in sales, which I never thought I would do because like all my parties I thought would bomb. We had about 7 people here, $5.50 in sales, no problem. The other thing was, I got in my hostess package, it lasted me 14 months. And I didn't just use it on my stove. I use it like for anything. And the more I learn about it, I have actually a sheet of 101 uses or something. It's crazy. Like, this thing is great. So, wet. And you can just see, I just scrape off a little bit. So it's not like, you know, I used to use Ceramic. I'm going to wet this again. So I used to use Ceramic, which is chemicals, and the smell actually made me sick because I am highly allergic to things. And I'd go through like a bottle a month, if not sooner, like maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So that was like $6, $7 like a month, or every 2 to 3 weeks. $32, 14 months. It was crazy. Anyway, okay. So I was the crazy one. Okay. So here, let me show you. So I just scraped off a little bit. So that's it. And this is my nasty stove. So I'm going to try and do an area where you can see it. So I'm just using the scrubby corner with my fingers in the pocket. And I'm not even hardly doing anything. So I'm not gonna make this perfect right now, but I just wanted to show you, like, look how much better that looks already. So it's not even taking any effort, but you can see that it's already turning brown. Like, I'm not even like really scrubbing. And with the Cerama Bright, I used to scrub really hard and it was never clean enough. Like, I couldn't get it clean myself. I had to get my husband to do it. Now this is really bad because, well, we're not going to talk about how many times I've oiled over yesterday, but anyway. Okay, so, but look at, it's already like coming clean. So this is going to take, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while, but I just wanted to show you, like, you can already see this is just completely fine there. So those are the four products that are really good, and you'll never find a better product for cleaning your stove. It's great for your sinks. Like my stainless steel sinks always get really stained up because the boys just dump food in there and just leave it. Or, you know, my husband and I pour our coffee down there. We rinse it well, but coffee stains it really easily. So it took me, the one time it was stained, it took me less than 30 seconds to clean the stain with this paste. So the paste in my Sperry sponge. So that's it. I've got a lot more cleaning to do, so I'm gonna go for now. Bye guys, see you in the next video.